Well, it's not every day we have a guest here in the kitchen who is a 5-time James Beard Award winner and the author of 13 cookbooks. She is known for her easy-to-make recipes and has more of those to share with all of us this morning. Her new cookbook, Everyday Dorie, is here to chat about that book, and we're going to do some cooking together, too.
Well, I'm going to put you to work.
Oh, okay, good. Welcome.
I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
I love that you call this the way I cook. This is not for Instagram. This is for eating.
This is for eating and for easy prep.
Yeah.
So for the past 8 years, I've been living in rural Connecticut, where it's an hour round trip to a quart of milk. And so I've been cooking with, well, I'm going to start making the ricotta spoonable.
Okay.
Actually, why don't you start?
I would love to. Tell us what's in here.
Well, supermarket ingredients.
Okay,
because
great.
I've been cooking from the supermarket. I've been shopping in my refrigerator and pantry to make. So those were no, these are the shallots.
Yeah.
Those were the scallions. And I'm going to give you some
flavors and all
chopped herbs. So this is something that I make and keep. I'm going to reach right over
you bet.
you.
A little bit of lemon.
You keep stirring, and I'm going to squeeze. I keep it in the refrigerator. I put it over pasta on toast with raw vegetables. I'm going to give you a little. Do you want to grab some salt for it? And I'll put pepper.
Right.
I just did that. I always do that.
A little bit of salt over the shoulder, right?
Olive oil. Oh, okay.
Do I have that? You going to walk around?
I'm going to walk right around.
All right.
You.
This is like we're actually making this in your kitchen.
Well, and it's done. That's it.
Beautiful and fresh. I love that.
Right? So this is truly an everyday dish. I make it, keep it in the refrigerator, and I also put it over these peppers.
I am dying to know how to make these. You've set it up for
right
us
over
here.
there,
They're gorgeous.
and
The color
I'll
is
show
beautiful.
you. They're beautiful when you put them together. They're beautiful baked. So this is the secret ingredient.
Okay.
It's breadcrumbs and lemon zest. If I were on a desert island, yeah, lemon.
Breadcrumbs and lemon
Lemon
zest.
zest. I mean, or lemon juice. Anchovies.
Dorie, what is this called again?
These are the, it's a tongue twister, the oven-charred tomato stuffed peppers. Ooh. So some lemon zest.
And really great for, more and more of my friends are going solid plant-based, right? And full vegan. So sometimes it's a challenge to know what to serve them when they come over.
Well, and for those friends, you can take out the anchovies and just use, have I squeezed you with lemon?
It's okay,
I'm sorry.
that's all right. I could use a bit of freshening, so that's wonderful.
Just put more lemon in. So let's make one.
Okay.
Put a spoonful in
on the bottom?
pepper.
Okay, how much do I fill it, Dorie?
That's nice.
Okay.
All right, then I'm going to put some fresh lemon in there.
Just a thin slice.
Yeah, which when it bakes, it softens, and it's another surprise in the dish. Some fresh basil.
Nice.
And then...
Oh, smells so good.
Isn't that nice? I mean, lemon and basil.
Yum. Oh,
good.
It smells like summer.
Okay. And so you can either spoon tomatoes in like this.
And easy prep. I mean, my kids can help me.
So I was just going to say, if you have little kids, let them make a little arts and crafts project out of this, right? One by one, little fingers, little hands.
Cute.
Right?
So delicious. And you bake this?
So it gets baked. It gets a little bit more olive oil. Do you want to just drizzle some on?
I'd love to. Just drizzle a little bit over the top. We're going to bake it.
Right. And then, so I've actually seasoned the pan as well as the peppers. See down there?
Yes. What do you have in there?
Fresh herbs, garlic, salt, pepper, and then just put some herbs over the top.
Okay.
And I just think it's just beautiful before it goes into the oven.
And tastes just as good as it looks, I imagine.
I'm going to... I give you permission to taste.
I'm going to try some after. I don't want us to go without touching base on this because this looks so decadent.
It's so good. So this is my holiday cake. I made it for Thanksgiving. I'm going to be making it for Christmas. It's the triple layer parsnip cranberry cake.
Oh, I need to try this.
Oh, you must.
Okay, tell me what goes into it while I take a spoonful.
Think carrot cake, but it's parsnip.
Okay.
And it has toasted pecans. It has cranberries. This is a cream cheese frosting, and there's a little cranberry jam in there. Made in, it's good, isn't it? And again, very simple, very everyday ingredients you find in the supermarket. And really pretty.
Dorie, I wish we could have you here every day. Thank you for leaving this fabulous
you know,
dessert.
I would love that. Thank you.
All right, you'll find all of these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. We will be right back. This is delicious.